Good morning. Today is Tuesday, August the 18th. So in our calendar, we are doing math today. Page 39. We're only doing one page in chapter 2, page 39, and it's on times and calendars. So right here where the star is, that's what we're going to do today. So go ahead and take out your packets and look for the math and look for page 39 because we're Tuesday. I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Okay, let's start. It's a daily calendar. Let me read the instructions to you. It says, Chance is busy today. He needs to refer to his calendar to be sure he remembers everything he has to do. Use a calendar to answer the questions below. So, the calendar is for Tuesday, April the 6th, 2010. And he starts off his day at 7 in the morning, eating breakfast at school. Then at 8, he goes to math class. At 9, he has art class. At 10, he has English class. At 11, he has science class. And then at 12, he goes to lunch. At 12:30, he goes to study hall. At 1, he has computer class. At 2, he has choir. At 3, he has soccer practice. At 4, he has a dentist appointment. And at 5, he walks the dog. So you have 5 questions that you need to answer and 1 bonus question if you can answer it for extra points. So let's start with question number 1. When does Chance have computer class? Question number 2. When does Chance have English class? Remember to write down the times here in the blanks. Question 3. How many hours from the time Chance eats breakfast until lunch? So remember he eats breakfast at 7. So how many hours till he has lunch at 12? So you count and you write it here. Question number 4. If Chance is at soccer practice, how many hours ago was he in science class? So you see, right here, you have soccer practice at 3. We're going to go back to science class at 11. Okay, so you're going to figure out how many hours were they in between. Okay, number 5. How many hours did the time Chance went, number 5. How many hours from the time Chance went to the dentist until he walked his dog? So he went to the dentist at 4 and he walked his dog at 5. So you write the answer right here. The bonus question for extra points is how long was Chance at study hall? So how long did he take from study hall to go to the computer class? So you write it right here. Okay, so finish up this work today. Complete it. Take a picture. If you can upload it to Teams, go ahead and upload it to Teams. If you can't, just take a picture and send it to me, and I'll upload it for you. If you have any questions, go ahead and call me or text me or email me. Thank you.